Hi, this is Mrs. Gottfried. I'm going to give you a very quick tutorial about how to use WeVideo. This will just be basic and it's pretty easy to figure out additional things if you want to. I will also include a link to a YouTube video that shows you how to do green screen with WeVideo. The first thing that you're going to want to do is open up a browser. Google Chrome is the one that it works the best with. And you're going to type in this URL, this website address. So when you type it in, make sure that any letters that are capitalized in this URL are also capitalized. Make sure you don't have any spaces. If there's a period, there is a period in this URL, so make sure you put that in. If you want, you can pause the video, quickly write this down, and then enter it into Google Chrome. So once you typed it in and hit enter, you will come to a page like this. We have a school account, a school district account, so you are going to join with an existing account. And then you're going to log in with your school email address. So here's mine. And here's what I get. So you have a couple of choices. You can record video that you're going to use to edit and create your video. Or if you already have video that you've recorded and is located in your Google Drive or on your desktop, you can go right to create new video. This is your dashboard. So this is where you're going to look for all your audio, your titles, all of those things. If you will notice on your dashboard over here, you have some video tracks and an audio track. I'm going to be using 2 video tracks today, and I want to add an audio track. So I clicked on the plus. I'm going to add audio and add track. The reason that I want to do that is because on my video, I want some titles. They're going to show on my video, and then I'm going to have my main video. If you're doing green screen, you will have your main video that you took on the top track, and then you will have whatever special effect you're showing behind you on the second track. So it layers. So top is always on the top, second is always underneath it. The reason you might want 2 audio tracks is you might want to have yourself talking, and then in the background you might want to have some background music. So to find your content, there's a couple of ways. Go to My Media. Again, you can record, or you can import media that you already have saved in your Google Drive. If it's on your desktop of your Chromebook, you can browse here and select it, or simply drag it and drop it. And I have already imported some content right here. So I've added my content, and now I'm going to click and drag it to a track. So I'm going to use this one. I'm going to click, actually I'm going to put it on the second track because I want to add the Brooklyn Center icon to the first track. And I want the icon, actually, I think I will put the icon like right there. I can always preview it and see what it looks like. So I'm going to move my little cursor back here. Maybe I'll move this over a little bit. And then I will preview and see what it looks like. So this is footage I filmed in Scotland. And here we go. All right, so I'm going to stop it. I think I want to add a title. So to add a title, you click on text. And you have different ways, different types of ways that a title can be added to your video. So I think I'm just going to add this one. I'm going to drag it down to my top track. I really don't want it to cover up my video, so I'm going to move my video so that it starts right when the title ends. And I'm also going to move this guy. Oops. See what I did? I made it bigger, but I really don't want to do that. So you'll notice if you click on some content, an orange box will show up around it. And you can use that to make your content longer or shorter. Or if you want to cut your clip, you're going to move the cursor to where you want to cut it. And then just simply click on the scissors. It will splice it in two, highlight the part that you want to get rid of, and just either click delete or click on the trash can. All right, so I want to actually change the words on my title because right now it says out with the puff, so I'm going to double click on that. And I am going to add my title. Now I can change the color of my title. I can change the font of my title. I can't change the background. I am going to change the color to kind of this light purple, and I can preview it to see what it looks like. There you go. Then I'm going to save my changes. I can also edit my video clip. You can double click on that, and there are lots of different options. You can rotate it, you can change the scale of your clip, you can change the coloring. This little icon is what you will use when you do green screen for your video. You can even speed up your video and make it go faster, or you can make it go slower. So I'm going to save my changes. Let's see what my video looks like. So I'm going to preview it. And if I wanted to, I could make this clip a little bit shorter. Feels like it's a little long. And there we go. If I wanted to add sound effects, I would click on audio. And there's a whole section of free music, sound effects. So I would just try out some different things till I found one that I liked, and I would drag it down to the audio track. If you want to use content from the library to create something completely different, I'm going to get rid of all of this. If you click on stock media, then that's free media that you can use for a video. I think I'm going to do a video on outer space. And I could put two different videos in there back to back if I want. Let's do this one. If I want to make it longer, I can. And I'm going to add some audio to go underneath it. So I'm going to click on audio. I've already tried out a couple of them, and I like this one. So I'm just going to put this one down here. Oops. Oh, I need to do it to the audio track. And I'm going to shorten it because I don't want it to last way longer than my video. And now I can preview my video. I can add some text over my video if I want to explain some things. I can add a voiceover, record a voiceover by using my audio track 2. There's just all kinds of things that I can do with it. So just play around with it, have some fun with it. When you are finished with your video, be sure you click finish. Give it a title. Set. And then you have some choices. You can save it to your Google Drive. You can save video with audio or audio only. You can select a thumbnail for your video. Or if you just save it to WeVideo, then it will always be there for you. If you want to learn how to use WeVideo to create a green screen video, you can go to this YouTube video, or you can simply go to YouTube and search for Jennifer Laban green screen WeVideo. The cool thing is you do not even need an official green screen. You can use just a solid colored wall. You can go to the dollar store and get a solid colored tablecloth for $1 and tape it to your wall. It can be any color, as long as it's not the same color as whatever you're wearing. So if you have any questions, just shoot me an email and I will be happy to help you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.